Let's also remove this panel here since it's super easy. This just slides out. I wonder if there's a... Let's see. Okay, this is being held by something else, but let's see. Maybe I might have to push it up or down. Let's see. Okay guys, so as you can see, I twisted it and this is how it looks on the inside. Okay, so yeah, twist it, don't force it out or you'll break it, just twist it, okay? And then twist and then out, okay? Because it looks like this. You're supposed to twist it and then you remove it. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, we have this that acts like a ground, so we're gonna be removing this. Maybe we'll just unplug these grounds, maybe better. Okay, we might have to just remove this whole plate. It's not hard, so we'll just remove it. I know probably the hard part will be might be to remove this plastics panel, but we can just start by the easy part and then move to the hard part. So remove this. Okay, we're gonna put this to the side, and then unfortunately this broke from this, but I'm gonna fix it later. Yeah, see guys, don't force it or it's gonna break. Let's see. Unfortunately, there's nowhere on the internet. I tried to look how this is done, but I don't see anywhere that tells you, okay, you have to remove this and this way. So we're just experimenting now and making it so trying not to break it on the process. Now we have this part, and we also have this one. Let's see. So if I remove this one, I'll be able to remove this whole thing. But I'm just gonna play it safe because we might have something else underneath this to remove. And I'm gonna remove this one since they're easy to remove. If I find out that I don't have to remove it, then I will just put it back, easy. I don't lose anything by removing this plate. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here, remove this plate. We have this little pin here, maybe we'll just remove it, but let's see what we have here. I just removed remove this one. Okay, it's not hard, so yeah, make sure to remove that one. And you can also remove this one too, I think. Okay, it came off, guys. So we're gonna put it here. We have this plate here. Okay. Next thing, guys, will be to remove the steering wheel. Okay, so I need a Allen this big so I can remove it. Let's see if we can find something like that. Okay, guys, so there's a number 10 bolt that we need access to. Okay, in order to get access to this 10mm bolt that's holding this part, you guys have to remove the instrument cluster, which is not super hard to remove. You just need to pry it, and I already did on the side a little bit, but it will come off. If you just pry it from the top, it will come off like this. On this side. Okay, see guys, it's coming off. So with a little bit of pressure, you guys can actually take this off and then up like this, and you guys should be able to remove this. Okay, just have to remove the bottom part. The top part is removed, and you're gonna need a number 10, one of these, this one, and then you will have to break this loose. Okay, this way you can remove the instrument cluster, which you will need to remove to access the bolt that's on this side of the steering wheel. So on this other side, so that will let you drop the whole column, and then you're gonna need to have this off so you can pull this out, and then you guys can have some space where you can remove the coupler and put the new one in. Okay guys, so I just grabbed this one and I was able to break it loose. Okay, so let's remove the steering wheel. Hopefully it's not as hard as it seems like. This job, I think it's a job nobody wants to really do, just because you have to get down there. But let's see, just remove this, and then you should be able to remove the steering wheel. Okay, got it off. Super easy guys, it's not that bad. Now you guys can pry this from the top, and just do it slowly. Don't put too much force, it will come out. You don't want to break it. Yeah, almost did, but I didn't. So with your hand, just pull it out. Easy. Okay, and we should be able to see that 10mm bolt. Let's see. Alright guys, let's see if we... Okay, there's actually these two. You have to remove these two, and this one has the ground, so make sure you guys put this ground back after. Okay, see, this is holding the whole steering column. Yeah, so let's grab two. Let's see what they are. They're not number 10s, they're probably number 12s. Let's see what we find.